Advisor to the Education Department H.M. Shangpliang today informed that the government is looking to provide the salaries of the SSA teachers as per the capping norms. While addressing the gathering during the conference cum felicitation program at the Sosotham Auditorium here on Monday, Shangpliang said that the file of the capping norms has already moved from the department. He further said that once the government approves it, then it will be able to release the rupees 52 crore of the capping salary to all the SSA teachers. He said that the second installment of the funds has already been released this month and the process of releasing it to the respective teachers has already started. Meanwhile, Meghalaya SSA Schools Association President Aristotle Rimbai said that they have submitted a memorandum to the government for regularization of their services and also for enhancement of their salaries.
The capping norms which we were supposed to provide to the SSA teachers, that already is in the process of the file has already moved from the department, and we will shortly, once the government releases that, we should be able to release the 52 crores, the capping salary to all the SSA teachers.
So now the government have already constituted the State Education Commission, and we hope, as highlighted today by our Honorable Special Guest M. Shangpliang, and we hope that this issue, that is regularization of SSA teachers and also the enhancements of our salary, will be addressed by the State Education Commission at the earliest possible.